guys, so today we are making chocolate covered strawberries. For chocolate covered strawberries, you're obviously going to need some strawberries and some chocolate. For the chocolate, you can either get these, you can get them from the grocery store, or you can get these, the classic chocolate chips. The first thing you want to do is put some parchment paper on the tray. Next thing you want to do is rinse and dry the strawberries and put them on the tray. Next thing you want to do is pour some chocolate chips into the bowl. Now you're going to pop it into the microwave and put it in for 30 seconds. Then you're going to stir. Now you're going to stir and put it back in for 30 seconds. Now that our chocolate is ready and smooth, we can now dip. You're going to dip and put it on the tray before it dries. If you want to decorate with sprinkles, do it when they're wet. I decorated half of mine with sprinkles. The other half I'm going to drizzle with white chocolate. To drizzle the white chocolate, you can either go the easy way or the classic way. Today we're going to use a sandwich baggie. Pour it into one of the edges and twist. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, you want to mush it up. Now you put it in for another 30 seconds. Now you're going to want to cut the tip. Now you're going to drizzle it. Last, you're going to put your strawberries in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. Now, time to enjoy.